Hey guys, it is September, and that means it is time for our September Junk Journal Challenge. Today, I have sent out to my email list several sheets of free ephemera. If you are not on the email list and you would like to join us, you can sign up using a link in the description down below and get these sheets sent to you immediately. So the challenge theme is magical mail. We are doing kind of a post office and mail theme throughout the month. We had Whisker Win Post last week as the free project. And now we have magical mail for our challenge. And then, of course, we're going to have a little bit of a mail themed exclusive freebie for my email list at the end of this month. So make sure you sign up for the list so that you can get the exclusive freebie and participate in this month's challenge. I have a couple of tips and tricks for you. So let's go ahead and look at the 5 sheets of ephemera that I've sent out today and talk about what you could do with them. So here are the 5 sheets in this month's challenge. We have some ephemera and a little letter, a bookmark type piece. I tried to work some color in. I know you guys like a lot of color, but I also tried to leave room for you to do some decorating. So you've got a large envelope, some fussy cuts with stamps and seals and delivery services. I did include Whisker Went Post right there. And there we got some mail fussy cuts and then a couple of papers. There is kind of a magical, colorful postal stamp background and then a couple of more plain backgrounds. So I'm always pleasantly surprised to see what you guys end up doing with these challenges. I wanted to give kind of a starting point for those who are like, I don't know where to start. I don't know what to do. You have your envelope. So print one of these papers on the back side of your envelope. You can do this in paper, you can do this in cardstock, and then decorate your envelope. Pop the letter inside, add an address label, and there you go. Just do something cute and quick and simple. It doesn't have to be crazy. Pop a little bit of ephemera inside and just give yourself a pat on the back because you crafted today. And that's really what this is all about, is getting our hands in there and just making something. It doesn't have to be complicated. But if you want to go up to another level, you could take this envelope and cut these little tabs off and then use this as a bit of a folio. You can turn it sideways, print the inside on the other side again. So you have a print on both sides. And then you can use some of these address labels as pockets. You can tuck ephemera inside. And then you have all these fun little pieces to work with as well. So if you are unsure and you just don't know what to do, you have a couple of options right there. Stuff an envelope or make a folio out of this. Remember that there is a companion PDF with clickable links in it, and that will take you both to the Facebook group to post photos. Please post photos of works in progress, getting your workstation set up, your project halfway done. Ask for help if you get stuck. I'm sure some of the wonderful people there will be happy to give you a little nudge or give you some ideas that you can pull from. And then once you're all done, go ahead and post a picture or even a video of your finished project. There's also a clickable link where you can click the hashtag and then go to the group and see everything that people have posted with that hashtag. So I've got that set up for you that all you have to do is open that PDF, click the hashtag hyperlink, and then you can see what everybody else has done. Now the rules are also in the PDF, but I'm going to go over them with you very quickly. They're super simple. Use at least 3 items from the ephemera I've sent you. Use anything else you like, any products, any digitals, anything you have in your stash, pull it out and use it. You are not limited to just what is on these sheets. And then post it by the end of the month, September 30th. Now, late submissions are always welcome. You get to this in December, post it. We want to see it anyway, even if it is late. I don't think crafting can ever really be late or behind schedule. It's when you feel like doing it. So while the most of the posts will happen in September, I'm sure I still see people from my early rose challenge trickling in and posting their rose challenge creations. So absolutely don't let the time limit discourage you. Hopefully you're as excited as I am about this month's challenge and you will get something made and post it up in the Facebook group. So many people participated in the Lost Bloom challenge. It was very exciting, so I can't wait to see what you all do this month. So I want to take a moment and talk about how excited I was that you all loved Whisker Win Post so much. And I do have that pretty high on my list for what I'm going to work on next. I have an idea for a story for Whisker Wind Post. I'm trying to decide exactly how I want to make it, if it's a journal or if it is a box kit with a bunch of projects. It seems like box kits with projects are doing a little better for me than the journals. And so I'm wondering if incorporating the stories into the box kit, like I did with Frostbound Forest, might be the way to go going forward. I'm kind of playing wait and see with that, but I'm not mad at the idea either. On that note, I am working on something for spooky season and I'm very excited about it. I had actually started working on it before I sent out Whisker Wind Post. And so now I'm really committed. It is a very large project and I don't feel right just dropping it and then coming back to it. And honestly, Halloween is coming, spooky season is coming, and I really want to get that out to you at the end of September or early October, hopefully, fingers crossed. So I wanted to give you just a little teaser. There is a story incorporated in the box kit, just like Frostbound Forest. And if you haven't seen Frostbound Forest, I'll link that in the description down below. That was the kit that started it all. It was a series I sent out to my email list. It is now available in my shop. So there's a link in the description for that. And this is for spooky season, a story about cursed antiquities. We have our main character will be a special agent with a specialized bureau that deals in that kind of thing. And I've been building the notebook for our agent. I've been building a containment cabinet for our cursed artifacts. And then we're going to have a series of case files or incident reports. I'm still working on the terminology. I've been researching what phone numbers look like in the 1920s. I've been researching how case files should be numbered. And while I'm not sticking strictly to that because those are for the mundane world and my world is slightly magical, there are going to be kind of 1920s vibes, kind of an urban magical fantasy aspect to it. So it is a work in progress. There is a lot more work to do, but I'm excited about this one. It is going to be pretty big. It's going to be big like Frostbound, and it's going to be big like Brightwand Academy, the box kit with all of the projects. It's going to be big like that. So it could be bigger. I'm not really sure yet, but you'll know when I know. So that's everything that's going on behind the scenes right now. I am excited to see your challenge submissions. I'm not sure I'm doing the challenge this month. I'm really kind of deep diving into this new project and I'd like to stay focused. I work best whenever I can stay very tightly focused on the project at hand. So we'll see. Maybe I'll need a break and I'll whip something up and throw it in the group. So anyway, I look forward to seeing what you all do. And thank you for stopping by. Thank you for staying to the end of this little vlog portion. And I will see you in the next video.